are in Paradise. Today we are at Animal Kingdom. We're here, we're going to have lunch at Rainforest Cafe, and then we're also going to check out the beautiful, I'm in a photo pass photographer's way, we're going to check out all of the beautiful Christmas decorations that they have at Animal Kingdom for Christmas 2024. Hoping to catch the Merry Menagerie, or Menagerie, however you say it, and see those puppets and everything. So super excited for a fun afternoon at Animal Kingdom. So y'all come with us. Let's go have some fun. Alright, we are in Animal Kingdom, and here is the beautiful tree before you even ever go in the park. Get up a little closer and show you a little bit. That's some Jungle Book right here. It's so beautiful. We aren't going to be here when it's dark, but maybe we'll come back and check out the lights once it's a little bit later on. It's a little bit different angle of the tree. Look how cute the little Chippendale, like a little snow globe. This is the tree from the other side. So pretty. Alright, it's probably easier to show the menu out here than it is in there because it's really loud and it's really dark. That's one of the best things to get right there, is that appetizer sampler. That's a really good thing, and it's enough to feed a lot of people. Just going to show you what they have in here. We love eating here. Really fun place to eat. Not sure what I'm going to get, but I know I am hungry. Alright, one of the coolest things about okay, we just got called. I was going to show y'all shopping, but we're going to eat first. Alright. As soon as I walked away to film shopping, they called us, but that's okay because we are hungry. Let's see where we get sat. And they do have a rainstorm in here. I think it's every 30 minutes maybe, where the animals come to life and all of that. So it's a super fun experience if you've never done it, and I think the food is pretty good. So, alright. Headed back here. Look how cute. This is adorable. So we're going to be right here by the tiger family that has their cute little Christmas hats on. Look how cute. Oh, he's blinking his eyes. That's so cute. So I can't wait to see this once they have the storm and everything, you know, comes to life. So they have a Thanksgiving meal. Ooh. It's on Thanksgiving Day. It says Happy Thanksgiving. It's $30.99 for adults, $16.99 for kids, and there's what you get. Turkey dinner, turkey, gravy, stuffing, green beans, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. You do have to reserve that, but that's not a bad price for a Thanksgiving meal at all, because it's expensive to cook.
Hey, I do it.
Are y'all excited?
Very much.
Yep.
I love the Christmas theming. I had no idea they did this. This is really cool.
I think I'm going to go show the elephants now. Alright, continuing on with the Christmas theme, we've got the elephants.
Oh, am I what?
So it's very festive in here. I love it. It's looks really, really cool.
She did.
Alright, we've ordered, so I'll show you our food when it gets here. Oh no! It's storming! Alright, the food has arrived. What did y'all get?
Woohoo! We got the awesome appetizer with chicken tendies. I don't know what this is.
Chimichangas of some sort.
Mozzarella sticks, spinach, and what is it?
Artichoke.
Artichoke dip? Yeah, like whole big shebang. You know, kind of doing a little birthday celebration thing. So very excited. This is our go-to. Absolutely recommend.
Yep. It's one of the best things on the menu by far, especially the value. And I got a turkey panini with fries and coleslaw. So let's see. Let's see if I can do my tripod here and get myself in frame and try a bite for you. Let's see. Gotta get some ketchup for the fries. Alright. These fries look really good. They are good. Alright. Let's try this coleslaw. I hope it's sweet. We shall see. It's very different. It's a very unique flavor. It's good though, and it's very creamy. Alright. Now, try this panini. This thing is massive. Alright. Cheers, guys. It's really good as well. Yeah, really like it. Gonna dig in and enjoy our lunch now. Alright, another elephant here on the way out. We're gonna head into the gift shop. I'm actually gonna show you the gift shop now. Oh, it's a lot of elephants. Last time when I started to go shopping, they called this. So, anyway, they have a lot of really cool gifts here. And I hear music in the background. Probably going to get a copyright hit, so I'm going to stop this for now. So these were what Cody had said were on clearance. They're like the plushmallows or squishmallows. And I think he said they're $5. Let's see. I thought he said they were $5, but anyway, this is on clearance back here. Let's see what else we can find. All right, showing you a little bit more. They do have a ton of shopping here, but like I said, the music is playing, and I'm probably gonna get copyright on it, so just gonna show you a little bit. Oh, they're 2 for $40 on select plush. But, oh, these are $5. Let's see, these are probably the ones that are 2 for $40, if I had to guess. And we got some shirts, $9.99. That is a really, really cute shirt for $10. I like that. All right, we're going to head in to Animal Kingdom from this back entrance, and hopefully we're going to go see some Christmas decorations in Animal Kingdom. So this is the entrance into Rainforest Cafe. once you're inside the park. So it's really neat if you ever want to bypass the main entrance. You can cut through the store at Rainforest Cafe and come out here, and they have a turnstile, and you can go into Animal Kingdom this way. So this is really neat. Alright, we're gonna go scan in and go check some Christmas decorations. Alright, we're in. We're down by the tree of life. Look how cute that is. Is that a partridge in a pear tree? That's so cute. All that decor you see on top of the store, that is for Christmas. Really pretty garland. They do have the Merry Menagerie out. So, alright. Let's go see what we can find. I've got some little penguins. Ooh, a big penguin. Cute. Mama and babies. So cute. There's another little one. So cute. We've got more over here. Alright. Go over here and see the reindeer. That's cool. I really love the reindeer. So cool. Aww. There's a little deer over here. That's cute. Really like that. There we go. There's a great view.
Her little leg, that is so cute. Look at her.
Show you some more of the decor. It's really pretty. I love all the animals on top. They kind of look like stocking holders, like you set on your mantle. That's what that reminds me of. It's really pretty. Some really pretty decorations. These are the two main gift shops that they have right at the front, right when you come in. Alright, let's see what we can find next. Right, we're headed into Donald's Dino Bash. This is the last time you will ever see this because it is going away, I believe, in January, so they can start the new land, which is really sad, but it is what it is. But we're headed to ride Dinosaur, so you gotta ride Dinosaur as many times as we can before it's shut down and turned into Indiana Jones. So, alright, let's go get on Dinosaur. It's very bright. He's trying to run away with the lights. That is a character meet and greet of some sort over here. I'm not sure. I think he said maybe Daisy. That's really cute. Oh, they're adorable. Got their antlers on. So cute. That's the characters that are gonna go in that meet and greet spot right over there. So cute. Alright. So here is Santa, where you can meet and greet Santa. And I don't know if you have to make a virtual queue for this or if you just wait in line. I'm not sure. Santa's got his own little meet and greet area. That's really neat. I'll check into that for you. Alright, dinosaur. 10-minute wait.
40 minutes.
Hopefully it's not. Usually this goes a little quicker than it says. Anyway, decided to ride it. One of the best rides here. Alright, we got basically a walk-on Dinosaur. One of the best rides here. It was so fun, but this is cute. This is in the store. He's cute. Santasaurus. Very cute. They've got the store decked out so cute. Little dino up there with a hat on. Little stockings. Yep. Got it all decked out. Really cute. Nothing cuter than a dinosaur with a elf hat or Santa hat. Still in Donald's Dino Bash. And there's Donald. There he is. It's not crowded today. This is a Wednesday. Oh, look at here. But anyway, got this really cute decorated meet and greet and to meet Donald. Alright. So this is where you meet Santa, and I don't think you have to have any kind of virtual queue or anything. You just get in line. It's decorated really cute. They do have a photo pass photographer in there taking pictures with Santa. I'm trying to get Santa. Let's see if I can see him. See if I can get a little closer. Okay, there's Santa, and you sit on his couch. It's really cute. Got the tree and a wreath. But yeah, you just wait in line, and the line right now is not very long. This is right across from the entrance to the dinosaur ride. You have to be looking for it or you will miss it. This is Welcome Santa. They've got it all decorated, but the line right now is so short. But you have to be looking for it or you'll miss it. But see, like if you're going to go to the dinosaur ride, directly across from it is the Santa Claus meet and greet. So cool. Just want to let y'all know where that was. More decorations in Dinoland. We got the water tower all decked out. Looks like they got a mess up there. Anyway, that's really cute. Alright, we decided to do a little shopping on our way out of Animal Kingdom. $59.99 for that. These mugs are really pretty. $19.99. Not bad for the mug. It's a nice pillow, and you can use that anytime, not just Christmas. This Mickey wreath is really pretty. It lights up. $64.99 for the wreath. We've got another mug here. It says Joy. It is $19.99 as well. It's a better view. $24.99 for the Mickey Snowman. That's really cute. I like this peppermint platter here. Let's see if I can pick it up. It is breakable. $39.99 for the peppermint platter. We've got some stocking holders, and these are $29.99. These are adorable. $44.99 for this snowman Mickey pillow. Let's see, he might make a thumbnail with me. Look how cute he is. So cute. I love this so much. And you can keep him out all winter. Yeah, that's so cute. Here's the front. There we go. His scarf was covering up his buttons. That's so cute. And we've got a stocking here. All of this is new stuff that I have not seen. $34.99. I like that. That's a really pretty tree. We're on the hunt. They've got some Merry Menagerie items in here. I know some shirts. So that's what we're on the hunt for. We've got this light up plastic Mickey. I guess you just set it around. I don't really know what you would call it. I call it expensive. 60 bucks. That's a lot for that. There's a smaller one for 30, but it is tiny. Let me show you in reference. So that one's 30 and that one is 60. They've got this adorable tote bag, Chip and Dale Christmas tote, $24.99 plus tax when you purchase something $40 or more. But it is a zipper tote, so it's a nice big tote bag, and just look how cute that is. That's absolutely adorable. So they're offering personalization, I can't talk, on a lot of different items, and there's the prices right there. So you can get them to add your name or a date, different artwork. Like, look how cute that is. And you put your name on it. So that's pretty neat. They're doing it on all type of things. So yeah, I really like these ears though. Yeah, I didn't know you could get all of this stuff personalized. That's really neat. Alright, they've got a lot of Stitch merch here, but I'm going to hand the camera to Haley and she's going to help me maybe make a thumbnail. These are the cutest. Alright, these are how much? $35? $34.99. I like that. I've been good. Yeah, we don't believe you, Stitch, even though you're adorable. These are so cute. Look at that. And let's see, how much is this stocking? $34.99 for the stocking. So a lot of cute Stitch merchandise. The last thing I'll show is this sweatshirt. And I know it's not going to be cheap. $59.99, but it is very cute. Alright, Betty, onward to the next store. Right, we found it. This was, which store was this? I forgot. But anyway, it wasn't in one of them. This is so cute. How much is that spirit jersey? Oh, $79.99. That is so cute. Let's see what the front looks like. Animal Kingdom Merry Menagerie 2024. I love that. Is that a puppet? Kind of. Hello there. Ah, where have I heard that before? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. That is so cute. And they have a puppet. I mean a penguin. They're all puppets. Light up ornaments. Let's see. $39.99. They do have a limit of 2 items per guest. And these are adorable. Just look at that little puppets. How much are the t-shirts? $34.99. Oh, that is the front and nothing on the back. So a nice heavy duty t-shirt. So it looks like that's what they have in the collection. Alright, very cute. And I really like the Spirit jersey the best. So the store where you can find the Merry Menagerie merchandise is the Island Mercantile. They didn't have any in the other store across the way, which is Riverside Depot and Discovery Trading Company. They're all hooked together. They didn't have any of it in there. They had a lot of Christmas merchandise, but not the Merry Menagerie. If you're looking for that, it is right here. Can I do a selfie? Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Thank you. All right, I got a selfie with the penguin. All right, we're waiting on Cody. He went to ride Everest. And then we're going to end out this video and start a new one. So we have another adventure coming up in a minute. Did you see I got to pet the penguin? She missed it.
I was absorbed in my phone.
Alright gang, we're going to wrap up this video from Animal Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a blast. We were only here for a short time, but we had a very delicious lunch at Rainforest Cafe. We did some shopping. We rode Dinosaur. Got to see the Merry Menagerie and also some shopping of that merchandise, and showed you some new Christmas merchandise they have that I haven't seen yet. So it was a super fun afternoon. We're going to close out this video. We are headed to another spot, so stay tuned. We've got another adventure coming right up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you in the Millers of Paradise family. Thank you again so much to everyone for watching. Happy holidays. Remember, paradise is a holiday state of mind. We'll see you on the next adventure. Until then, bye-bye, guys.